Good morning, good evening, guys. Today I'm at Queencity Overland. We're installing my lift kit. And if you guys are wondering what kind of lift kit I got the Ironman 2.5 inch lift with the Nitro Shocks, with the SPCs for the upper control arms. And of course, you know, if you guys saw my last video, I do have some new wheels and tires going onto the truck. So, in case you're wondering, I do have these meaty boys right here. 285 70 17s, Falken Peaks going on. We already got the wheels and tires off, as you can see. Might sell those, might keep them, don't know yet, but I don't know. Comment below how much the TRD alloy will sell for. You guys seen them before. But I got the full lift kit, and if you guys do order this kit, already get these shocks assembled because it makes your life 10 times easier, and go heavy duty add leaves. The reason I say go heavy duty add leaves is because you're gonna add weight to your truck and you don't want your truck to, you know, sag and lack. So get the heavy add leaves, and let's get to this install, guys. Peace. Trusty discount tire to pick up the wheels. Yep. Oh, that thing is a beast. Oh, Ty, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. She is tall. Golly. Dude, like I said before, man, you guys see it right here. You guys see it. The 2020 Tacoma is officially lifted. 2.5 inch lift. Ironman green springs on it. Whenever it wants to zoom in, there it is. Inky wheels. First one in Charlotte, North Carolina to have the inky wheels on the Tacoma. Documented. You guys see here, old wheels in the back. Like I said, I might sell those. Beautiful, man. She looks aggressive. She looks aggressive. Alright guys, just left Queencity Overland. Major shout out to Tyler, man. Major shout out to Tyler. I'm very, very happy with how this truck came out, dude. I'm sitting higher than ever right now. Of course the shocks and the add leaves gotta adjust in, whatever, but I'm so excited, guys. Like, you guys don't understand the happiness on my face right now having this lift on my truck with these new wheels, dude. These RPFT1s, oh my god, go so freaking mint. Thank God I didn't go with my other color choice, because that right there probably would have ruined it for me. Thank you for my friends who talked me out of that. But dude, I love this so freaking much. And guys, believe it or not, no freaking rubbing, guys. I do not rub with this setup I have. No cab mount chop, no nothing. This is the perfect setup for anybody who wants to go bigger. And I'll explain that more to you. But right now I'm going to BMF Performance to get my truck aligned, and I'll tell you more after we get there. Let's go. Bro, driving this truck on the highways, tires do make a difference. For anybody who doesn't see that, tires do make a difference. I'm sitting up higher, less road noise. The Wranglers that came on those tires were atrocious. I heard everything on the road. But dude, amazing, especially how high I sit, and we just put on that lift, and I really don't need much of an alignment, but I'm going to get an alignment anyway, because you should always get an alignment. But the wheel is straight. I'm driving straight. It's not crooked or nothing. But like I said, see you when I get to BMF. Baby's up on the rack, getting its alignment. It's pretty good. I'm at BMF Performance, guys. If you need alignments for your off-road truck, definitely come here. They got merch. Order your tires, wherever you want from here. Beautiful place, beautiful, beautiful place. Before I show you the guys the truck, shout out to Queencity Overland and BMF for doing my truck, man. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And if you guys are interested in this kit, you can always feel free to message me on Instagram or email me, whatever. And now I'm gonna show you guys the truck. All right, guys, this is the truck right here. This is the wheel setup. So basically, I'm running the Inky wheels right here. These are RP T1s. They're 17 by 9 and a 0 offset. So it gives the truck like a little, let me go on this way. So you see by the back tire, gives it a little poke out, not much. And the suspension setup that I have on this truck, the suspension setup that I have on this truck, guys, is the Ironman 2.5 lift stage 2 with the SPC upper control arms. The reason I got those because it can adjust the cast wheel the width. And I also went on Amazon and got this sway bar spacer or adapter, which makes your sway bar go down about maybe an inch. You can find them on Amazon. And I also got a diff drop thing from Amazon too. It's about 16, 28 bucks for both, or either or. Make sure you guys get that, because that will, if you, without this you probably can't run it, but it will wear out like your bushings and stuff in here, and it's not going to be a good time, guys. So if you guys want to know more about the lift, message me, let me know. Ironman, if you want to sponsor me, Ironman, go ahead and sponsor this build, man. Look at this build. Don't you want to sponsor this? This can be great, man. Already got your lift kit on here. Got my name on there. Perfect advertisement. Until then, guys, it's your boy Bruce. Beautiful city of Charlotte right back there. Oh, sorry. Beautiful city of Charlotte right back there, guys. And thank you guys for supporting me through this build. And stay tuned for the next thing that's gonna happen, guys. It's your boy Bruce, and I'm out. Peace.